For the kids' lunch today, I'm starting off by preheating their thermoses, and I'm going to go ahead and warn you now that we are running low on groceries, so if you have any negative comments about today's lunch, keep them to yourself. The kids are having some diced up apples, some alphabet cookies, and some cheese. Then I'm going to go ahead and dump out the water in their thermos, dry it out, and add a paper towel because they're having chicken fries. I find that when I add a paper towel to the bottom of the thermos, whenever I'm giving them breaded foods, that it helps the food stay crispy and not too soggy. In their omi dip containers, I'm going to be adding their favorite dipping sauces. For Sis, she has honey mustard, and Big Bro has ketchup and mayonnaise. And this was all I had time to film, so that was their lunch today. Bye!
Welcome back to an episode of me making lunch for my particular kid, and if you're new around here, we like to say particular instead of picky. Today I'm going to make her something she hasn't taken in a while, which is a peanut butter and fluff sandwich, and we're going to make it into little bite-sized stars. I feel like these bite-sized pieces make it quick and easy for everything but the bagel seasoning. This is something she's come to like over the past year, and she ended up trying it just because I was eating it one day. So if you're struggling with a particular eater, just always offer them all kinds of different foods because you never know what they might like. I'm going to give her some pepperoni, a Gouda Baby Bell, and some Greek yogurt with sprinkles. I'm going to give her a Once Upon a Farm Immunity Blend apple powder,